What is up, everyone? It is Jake with PokePacks bringing you another video. Today we're opening up some Unified Minds with my cousin Max. Max, say hi to everyone.
No.
Wait, your name's not Max, it's DJ. DJ, say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Thank you. See, I say Max because my cousin Max likes to do Pokemon cards with me, and DJ doesn't. All right, little advertisement card. We'll get it out of the way. Now, the rare card in these 3 packs is the middle one. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it to the back because we want to keep it suspenseful. What do you think the first card is, DJ?
Squirtle.
C goes with a Squirtle, which I don't even think is in the Unified Mind set. You are a noob. Let's see what it is. A Gible. Ooh, look at that. Second card is a Gabbit. Oh, is that kind of is it shiny? No, it's not shiny. Maybe a reverse holo? Oh, a reverse holo Steenie! Let's go! Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to hop into our next pack of Unified Minds. DJ, who is your favorite Pokemon?
I don't know.
You don't know who your favorite Pokemon is? I really like Zapdos and Aerodactyl.
I don't know Mewtwo.
You like Mewtwo?
Yeah.
Oh, Mewtwo. Hey, that is a good pick. All right, let's do this. Since we can't play the energy game, you got to guess which energy this first Pokemon is.
Leaf type.
Leaf type. He goes with Leaf type. What do we have? Oh, it's a Dragon type. Dragonair. Very cool card. Second card is a Houndedge. The last card of our 2-pack, 3-card booster pack opening today is going to be... Drum roll. God dang Sneasel. All right. Let's grab these here, and we'll just go back through our openings today. Dragonair, Reverse Holo Steenie, Gabite, and a Gible. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Yo, what is up, everyone? It is Jake with PokePacks, and today we are here with DJ. DJ, say hello to everybody.
Hi.
DJ's going to be opening up a Sword and Shield booster pack.
Whoa.
Let's get into it. Rip it open, buddy.
Her.
Oh, you ripping like, come on. Rip into it here. God, people want to see what's going on. They want to see it.
Okay, fine.
People don't come to this channel to see lousiness. They come to see good pulls.
Ooh.
Oh, let's show it off a little. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. What is that, Zamazenta, I think?
Ooh.
Now let's get this out of the way. Let's open her up.
The suspense.
The suspense is right.
I can't open it.
Oh, come on.
I can't.
Keep going. Keep trying. You gotta get it open. Don't worry. Frank has problems opening packs all the time. Actually, he has a problem opening ETBs. All right, rip this piece so we don't ruin the cards. There you go. All right. Pull it out. Take that and put it down on the floor. Now we're going to count 4 cards. Put them to the back. And this is, we can guess the energy. So before you flip it over, what energy type do you think it is? I'm going to go with fire.
I'm going to go with ground.
Ground. All right, let's flip it over and see what it is. Ah, steel. We're both wrong. All right, let's go through them here.
The hunter.
You can just set them right down on the floor if you like. Keep them all together. We don't want anyone to sneak peek.
No sneak peek.
No sneaky peeky.
Hunter.
Yes.
That looks good, and I don't know what that is. A Venerity band. Okay, and we have a Raboot, and he looks awesome. So does this Scorbunny or...
Yep, Scorbunny is correct.
Yeah. And
worst Pokemon in the game. I'll call it out right now. That is the worst Pokemon ever. It is a goddamn cup of tea.
What? How does a cup of tea go into a Pokemon?
Know.
Okay, so we have a Cactus.
Very good. Fan favorite.
Yeah.
Favorite.
The Pikachu. Oh. Look at this. Nope.
Oh, did you see the next card?
Nope.
Oh, because I did. Reverse Hollow Grookey. Oh, and a Ninetales. I don't have that one yet. Let's go. Good pull. Good pull.
Wow. And it's 120 health. Wow.
That is sweet. Hey, thank you guys all for stopping in today on our short video. Give them a thumbs up, and make sure you guys give us a subscribe, a comment, give us a like. Let DJ know how he's doing. This is his first YouTube video, and we're gonna throw it up, and we want a bunch of likes. We'll see you on the next one.
What is up, guys? This is DJ, and I am gonna open this Cosmic Eclipse pack, and it's a sun and moon Cosmic Eclipse. There's 10 in it. Yeah. And there is I don't know.
Blastoise and Piplup.
Ooh. Okay, let's get up to the opening. Did they glue this one shut?
Oh.
Bum, 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 bum. Okay. And let me try and open this. Oh. The air bombs. And we have a advertisement card. We're gonna put this to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. You always want to take 4 from the back. Put them up in the front. And what do you think this one is gonna be, Jake?
I'm gonna go with lightning.
I'm gonna go with a water. Hey, I got it right. And we always put the cards over here. Lily's Pokédoll. Oh, that's cute, isn't it? Okay. Oof. Look at this.
That is a cool card. But DJ, you're the slowest card opener
Okay,
I've ever
fine.
seen in my life.
Okay, we have an art card.
Arquanig?
Yeah, an Arquanig.
Arquanid?
Yeah. And we have an Ipom,
Mm-hmm. Close enough.
an Onyx,
Mhm.
yes, Queen, and a Tepig,
Mm-hmm. I'll go with that.
and a Lowland.
Sandshrew. He's cute.
Yeah, she is the cutest. Okay. Is this a hollow?
No, that's a reverse hollow, unfortunately.
Yeah. Reverse hollow. And drum roll for the next one. And
Oh,
dang
bravery.
well, at least we got some cards.
That's right.
And after every video, you should like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.